Friends,
Yes, sir.
this is our third session of JSP Servlet. In first session, we talked about very fundamental. What is the web application? What is the desktop application? What is the Servlet? What is the JSP, Tomcat? That basic fundamental. In my second session, I think we talked about how we can invoke a servlet through HTML page. In this third session of GSP Solid, we are going to talk about a login page where we can enter username password, and this username password will send to the server. And there is a servlet. That name is called auth servlet. And this servlet will take a username password from the HTML page and it will check it. If it is Jack and Jill, then it will forward your request to home.jsp file. Otherwise, it will come to the same page. This is clear to everybody what I'm supposed to do.
Uh-huh.
So in this, you need two JSP. One is called login.jsp and second one is called home.jsp. Two JSP file we need and one servlet. People, don't look your laptop, right? See my face. Oh, sorry. How you can see the face? Okay, just put attention on my voice, please. Follow me. Can you help me? Shall I create a new project or you want to work in the same project?
Let's try new project. From
Oh, nice. Okay, let's do it. But promise, just promise you will help me for that. Hmm? You guys are not replying.
Yes, yes. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. The problem is it's all about pressure. When I come in front of you guys, normally I forget the thing. That's why I need your help.
We also
So what I need
forget.
to do?
When you ask question, we also forget this.
Oh man, you guys are very young, right? You are not supposed to forget. Okay, let's do that. Um, right click on it. Go to the new. Guide me, please. Dynamic web project. Okay, and here I need to give some name to it. What? Auth. Uh, auth service. Can you help me? Auth service. Auth service. Right. This is my project name. And here you can choose three, four, but more than three, I would say, right? This is
Oh,
the JSP Solid container version. We'll talk more a little bit later. Next, you would say this much you know, right? And generate deployment descriptor, I'm not using it, but later we'll use it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mhm. So in this project, three things we have to make. People, what? Two GSPs and one servlet. So what I should make first? JSP. So I'm just making a new JSP file. Can you see my style? Right click on the web, new, and click on JSP file. Hey, what is the difference between JSP file and HTML file? Nothing. JSP includes everything, whatever you can do in HTML, but JSP is more than HTML because JSP includes its own tag, right? I'll talk about what tag, implicit, JSP object, etc. So login.jsp is done. So guys, we are fan of Bootstrap. Am I right? If you want to use Bootstrap, you can Google it, right? Or you can go to the previous page and copy whatever we have in the header. Allow me. You see,
yes.
from head, I'm going to copy all those things because we are fan of Bootstrap 4. Reply.
Yes.
And what should be the title of the page? Login. And you see, here this line is extra because of JSP. Mahesh, you see this line is automatically came because of
JSP.
JSP. And here I'm going to make it right. First of all, I would like to make header. Header is a HTML5 tag which is used to design the header of the page. And here background color I want to give yellow and height I want to give 30 px. This is called inline CSS, right? Style, attribute name colon colors colon semicolon, and this is the second attribute of it. So if you allow to me, I can run it. You know how to run it? Right click on the JSP, run as run on server. You know this much, or I'm moving fast.
Good.
And you run your project only. Finish. It says yes, no. I select yes, and you see it's going to run in the browser. But Mac people, be careful. For you, they're saying my port number is already in use. Why? Because I'm running multiple Eclipse over here. That's why. Let me stop it if it is running somewhere. The more problem will come, more you will learn. And as long as I am here, right, do not worry about it. You guys should be very happy. You should say, oh my God, problem came. It's good. I'll show to Nagin. Simple.
People has a question.
You tell me if I'm learning something and I know if I stuck somewhere, people will help me. So why I should
We thought it.
why I should cry? Pardon?
The unit of IT is wrong. I think you just mentioned X. It should be
I'm running it. I'm running it again. Okay. No, no, no. The year, as long as I'm giving you training, you should be very happy. I don't want crying face. People are crying in front of me. It's not running. Hey, I'm not able to fix this problem. So second solution is either I can kill the port number or I can change the port number. So let me change it. Allow me.
right.
I want to change the port number. This problem won't become for you because I am teaching many batches and my Tomcat port is in use. I can kill it, but I'm not killing it right now. I'm in hurry. So I can change the port number. You have to go to the server. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Server folder, and in that you can go to the server.xml file. Why? Because I want to change my port number. It's crying for port number this 8005. I'm just making it 810, and it is crying for 8080 also. So for 8080 again I'm going to change it, man. What I can do it, I can make it 8888. It's okay, but you guys are not do it. This is only for me because my Tomcat is not happy with me. Okay. So I'm how I solve my problem. I change the port number. Whatever port number was conflicting, I change it. Can you see this?
Yes.
It's coming, but where is the color gone?
Here.
Yellow. No, 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 no.
Yes. Not
Yellow height is 30. No, no, it should come, man. How dare it not to render? Really, my bad luck. Okay,
30. Not 30 up.
pardon.
No.
So
Sure.
30 px. Sorry, 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 sorry. Thank you for helping me. Have you guys assumed like you are helping me? That's correct, man. You guys are able to help me. Okay. Hmm. Done.
Okay.
Now,
You have start.
who is talking? Please don't talk in the class. No, no, no.
We got discuss.
Here you can use division. Why? Because I want to write everything in the middle. So you can use class, ready-made, this CSS offer with Bootstrap, and you can use container over here. I'm just using H2 heading tag, and I'm writing login page, and you see how it's looking, right? People, login page, and here I want a photo. Can you help me to download the photo? Yes, 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 right? Not a big deal. Can you help me? I need a photo. Okay, let's take this photo. You know how you can copy it, right? Copy the address and that photo you can put over here. How to put the photo? You know, image tag, image object. And here you can use SRC. In SRC, you can copy the URL. Hmm? Confused? But I copy this URL from my website online. Okay. So this photo will be there now. Can you see this? And you can increase and decrease the height of it. Anybody knows how to change height? Yeah, you can use one attribute CSS style, and there is a height, and you can make height like at least 220 px. If you got confused, let me know. This picture is looking bigger. I want to make it smaller. Let's make more smaller because it's still looking bigger. I'm just going to make it 180. Mhm. Nice. It's okay, right? Hello. If you want to use multiple photo, copy paste.
Mm-hmm.
This design you understand or I make you confused?
It's good.
Okay. Now what I need to do here, I have to make form. If you allow to me, I can go ahead. Okay. And
Okay.
what you are designing is just mugging the thing. So here I can use a division tag. Please help me. And in this division tag, I want to group two field altogether. I can use a CSS form group. If you remember, it's okay. Otherwise, don't remember it. Okay. And I want to use label. Label means you want to write username and you can use a box. You know box, dabba, type equals to txt. Hey, who's talking? Please don't talk to each other. Just talk to me only. Name equals to username. Mhm. Let's see, right? How it looks like. People, you got it or you totally got confused?
Got it.
This CSS used to group these two elements together. You see how it looks like after doing this much? Wow, right? But here you want to make it beautiful, you can apply the CSS class equals to form control. This is the bootstrap library to make it beautiful. Mhm. And if you think it's looking bigger, then here you can give style and you can set the width. You can set it like 60%. 60% means what your parent is there, right? You just make it 60%. Can you see this? Yeah. I don't know you people got this much. Like here you can do copy paste. Can you see this?
Yeah.
And this is the password, right? And box name is password. Sajna, are you following me? Password, username and password. People reply. Like
Yes,
here
sir.
I'm able to type the password and you want this password should be mask. Then here you have to use type equals to password. Why? Why? Because when I'm typing it, refresh it. I don't want it should be visible to you, right? Anybody. Done. Now I have to make two button. Allow me. I can use another division. And here, please help me. Here you can use a button, right? You can Google it. Shall I Google it or type it because I remember the syntax?
You can type and then
Tell
Google it.
Google. Okay. Somebody is saying, can you Google it? You want to see my Googling speed? Let's try. I would say bootstrap for button. People are saying, hey, I want to, don't you have to type keyword so that bootstrap for button. You see my style of Googling? Wow, a lot of button is there. You can do choose it, right? I want to choose this primary. So you can choose this much, okay? You got my Googling style? Like this
Yes.
button, I want to say login and button type make submit because I have to submit my form, okay? That purpose. So I'm able to make this button. Why submit, sir? Because I want to submit this form. Button is here. And just write to it, you want to make another button, red one. For red one, here you have to write just danger. And you can write clear, right? Clear means clear.
Yeah.
And here type should be reset. Why type should be reset? Because when you click on this button, everything should be clear in the form. After it, everything you have to wrap into a form tag. Say yes.
Yes.
And form open and close, right? So benefit is when you click on this login button, submit button, your form data will be submitted to action and action name is auth. So my solid name is auth. So when you click on this button, right, my all the username password will go to the which servlet?
Off.
Servlet which URL pattern is auth. So let's see how it looks like, right? Like here, if I'm typing something and you click on the clear button, data should be clear. You see? So this is just because of the button type. It is reset. So whatever you feel in the username and password, and you click on the clear button, everything will be reset. And submit. When you click on it, right? It will go to the servlet, which name is auth. Can you see this? Auth servlet. And saying 404 means, hey servlet, you are not there. Sorry, cheating. Why cheating? You send someone to the auth and auth is not there because you have to design it. Allow me. So I have two options. Either I can design my servlet auth or I can design my JSP, which name is home.jsp. So I'm making my JSP first. It's okay? Hey sir, I'm just making JSP. Why? Because I want to finish my presentation thing first. So this is home.jsp. Hmm? Hmm. So you want to see my speed? Login, whatever we have, login, copy everything in home. You see speed? Done. Hello. And in home, I want to keep everything except form data, right? So my home.jsp looking how, man? Type home.jsp over here. Hello. If you want, you photo like home, you show that you should feel home is there. I'm going to put this photo, right? You wala copy. Oh, you see my style of copying? Right click on this, copy image address. and come over here and paste it. If you got it, you have to say I got it. Otherwise, you say I don't understand. I'm just doing copy paste, and this is just because of you people. Home page or landing page. Let me show you how my home page looks like. Tring. Can you see this? Then I'm going to say here, welcome to my home. You are most welcome to at my home. Sorry. Hmm? You got it. My both the page are design. If you want, that's fine. I'm able to design my both the pages. Anybody have any question moving forward? Huh? Eh, if you say again you cannot copy paste, can you type it? Oh, I'm sorry. No, I cannot do it. I don't know for other people, but it's not possible, man. Copy paste, right? That we have to learn. E, what I need to make next? My GSP is done. When you click on this submit button, login button, it will go to the auth servlet. Can I make a servlet? Allow me.
Yes.
For servlet, you have to make a class file. Right click on the src main Java class. And here you can write the package name. Package name could be anything. I'm just writing com.cubico.servlet, right? But you can give any name, right? You can write Mehes, my Mehes, your Mehes, whatever you want to write. Okay, write it. Doesn't matter. But don't like that name. Nobody like my program, your program. What is this? Okay, your name should be very professional. Clear? Like this.
Yeah.
So you can write auth servlet. Nice. And Sajana, what I need to extend HTTP servlet. No spelling mistake. Okay. After it, put your mouse on it. Import HTTP servlet from JavaX servlet.http package. And then you have to write do get. Hmm? Yeah, see my speed? Yep. And here, what you have to read? You have to read two parameter from the form. First of all, don't forget to put this annotation. Which annotation? Mehez? Web servlet annotation. And you have to map with slash auth.
Login.
Clear? Here, whatever name you have in the form, right? Same name you have to use for your servlet. This name and name which you have given in the form, right? This one should be, must be same. Okay. And here, what you want to read? Two parameter. First parameter in the form is get parameter, username. This name is case sensitive, right? You cannot do any mistake. Username and password. I hope you understand. But this, from where I'm reading it, right? See my style. This is my username. This name we are giving from the login.jsp. Can you see this? This name and username, right? I'm just writing it, right? And this is the my form coding, right? So here we have text and you have username. Make sense? Whatever name you have given in the form, same name you have to use. Here you can use any name, right? PP. Hey, what you have to check, Mahesh? Username and password. Tell me if your username is Jack. Am I right?
Yeah.
Equal ignore case. Core Java. P username and password is
Zero.
not chill. Jill.
Jill. Jill.
Yeah. Chill means you will feel zippy. I don't want that. Password is Jill.
Right.
Then in that case, which page you have to go?
Home. Home.
Here you have to write code, right? Go to
Go to home.
home.jsp. And in this case, go to.
Login.
Anybody have any confusion? Yeah.
Home.
Now we have to write here code. Here we have to write a code so that you can go to GSP file. Here we have to write code so that you can go to
Login.
login.jsp. So what we can do is here the code is fixed. Allow me. If you want to go it, you can go to the request and you can call a method on request get request dispatcher. Why? And here you can write the name of the GSP. request dot get request dispatcher method, and which JSP you want to go? Home.jsp. After that, you can write dot forward on it, and you can use same request and response parameter. My job is done. So this code will do what, Mahesh? This code will forward forward my request from this servlet to home.jsp. Okay. Hmm. Make sense?
Yes.
Similarly, you have to write the same thing for login.jsp. So what do you do?
Just change home.jsp to login.jsp.
Exactly. No need to remember it. No need to remember it. I'm telling you. You have to learn copy paste. Okay. My job is done. This code will forward my request from servlet to
Login.jsp.
done. Like here, you have to add one more line. Allow me. Actually, when I'm forwarding my page from servlet to the JSP, actually request is acting as a hash map. You can use a method set attribute and key value pair. You would say message, and what message you want to send? You want to send message from servlet to JSP.
Redirect.
Mahesh, how you can do it? Request dot set attribute. This is the map. In match you have maps. You are saying, hey map, I want to send message. Key value is sorry, right? Sorry,
Incorrect.
your username and password are not correct. It's clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Request is hash map. You are setting where attribute, attribute name is message, key and value. Clear? And this message you can render on where? Login.jsp. So when you come back, right? When you come back to the JSP file, you want to render this message. I'll show you how. Can I run my program?
Yes.
So what you need to start with? I need to start with my login.jsp. Next, finish, restart. Hey, everyone following in or not?
Yes, sir.
Please, and just go and make your hand dirty. Okay. Here, if you write Jack and Jill, so where you will reach? Home.jsp. Can you see
Home.jsp.
this? But if you type wrong username password, then you will come back to the same page. Can you see this?
Yes.
My data is gone. My data is gone means you are coming to the same page. But you want to show the message. Whatever
Yes.
message you have set through the servlet, right? This message you want to show it on JSP. If you want to show this message, so here you can use H1 tag to show it, bigger, and you can use this dollar curly bracket open and close. And here you can write the key name through which you want to pick the message. This is called expression language EL, expression language in JSP. So can I run it if you allow to me? This error is coming, you don't bother about it. So, and if you want to make this color what? Red. So you can use style. In style, you can use one attribute font color. How you can forget it? How dare me? Color. You can use color. I'm sorry. Color equals to red, right? And you can use font weight if you want to make it bold. But that's fine. Can I try?
Yeah.
Hello. This message. If you type something wrong username, and that message will come over here. See? Sorry, your username password is not correct, right? Yep. If you want to add a correct username password, Jack and Jill, then see the magic. And you click on it. It's coming, right? So do you understand the flow?
Yes. Smooth.
So you are coming to the JSP, and from JSP, when you click on the login button, your request goes to the servlet. And servlet is reading your both the parameter. Can you see this? And you are validating Jack and Jill, then you go to the home.jsp, else you go to the same page. And in request scope, you can say in request scope, you are setting this message against this message key. And when you are coming to the JSP, you are reading it here using dollar. This is called expression language in JSP. So my job is done. Hello. And
Yes.
here, if you want to, but the see, what is limitation in this program? Whatever username, password you are typing, you see it's visible or not, Mahesh?
Yes. Yes.
That is bad. When you submit your password, it won't be visible in the URL. Otherwise, what is the use of masking, right? So how you can fix it? People watch it. Actually, if you don't want to show the password, then in form you can define one attribute, Mahesh. You see, method equals to post. If you use post, what is the benefit? In post, your data won't be visible in the URL. It will go in the request body. So if you are sending some sensitive information, you should use get a post.
Post also.
Post. And in serverless side, you see what change you have to do. Where we have do get, you have to make it just do post. Can you see this? Done. So two changes we have to do. For what purpose? To ensure data should not be visible in the URL. Page. Can you see this? Refresh it. Now, if you enter username password, it's not going to be visible in the URL. Can you see this?
Yeah.
It's not visible anymore.
Yeah.
It is because of do
Post.
post. I hope you understand the difference between do get and do post. You can use do post when you are sending the data from client to server. You don't want it to be visible in the URL. Then method equals to post. If you don't write method equals to post, then by default it is method equals to get. You write or not doesn't matter. Yes, it is same, right? You're writing method equals to get or you don't write it. Both are same. So do you understand the difference between get and post?
Yes. It
Yeah.
does.
So let me write it. Okay. What I need to write difference between get
Get.
and post, and this is the last thing for today. What is the difference between get and post? I need your help to make notes. Hey, my website, can you help me?
Website.
First time I'm going to ask with my website and see. Otherwise, there is no use of it, right? We can throw it.
The website goes somewhere
Hello.
else. You can continue.
No, no, it's not going somewhere else. If my website will not help you, then I can help myself. So first difference is, let me write it until it comes. Hey, what is the first difference?
Get.
Nobody's helping me actually.
Get is used to receive
Please.
data from server to client to server. So
Okay,
this
let me write it.
data, right? This without
In post method, data goes inside request body. That's correct.
checking.
While in get, it goes inside request URL. That's correct. Which one is more secure in this way?
Post is more secure.
Post is more secure. Third, post is slower. Get is faster because get does not have body. Get is faster compared to.
Post.
Are you following me? Yes, following you. My website, difference between get and post is coming, right? And you can write one more thing. Get is idempotent. This is one of the most frequently. Get is idempotent, right? Get is idempotent while post is non. Idempotent means if you perform the same operation and again, it won't be put any side effect. Are you following me? Mesh, I'm just calling your name 10 times. Do you think it will put any side impact? No, at all. I would say, hey Mesh, what's your name? Mesh would say, my name is Mesh. Second time, Mesh, right? That's it. So get is used to fetch the data, right? That's why it is idempotent. Get is faster. Post is more secure, right? Post method data goes inside the request body, while get goes inside the URL. And it here in get you can send only limited data. Mesh, what I said. In get we can send
Oh, what did you say the idempotent means?
idempotent means side effect free. If you perform the same action again and again, again and again, it's a gate, it won't be do anything. It's fine. But if you do in post again and again, it might be cause some side effect. That's why post is non-item put in gate. I forget it. What I was talking about, I forget it. Last point. Okay, in gate we can send limited data. Are you following me? And normally gate is used to fetch the data. Please mug it. Normally gate is used to fetch data. Please remember it. Like you are performing search operation. So you are fetching some employee detail. Oh, gate can be cached by the browser, post not. Oh, nice. You see my technique. That since data is in a getter displayed in the URL, that's done. Gate is not secure, gate is faster, gate is item put in, and post is not. Already we have done other point, right? Do you know bookmarked? Hmm? Gate can be bookmarked, right? You can bookmark this URL. Gate URL can be bookmarked. What you write? This one, right?
Post cannot be bookmarked.
Yeah, of course, done. So guys, I hope I have done with this, but I just wanted to know. Do you understand this much or not? You have to just do practice. Please make your hand dirty and come tomorrow. And if you have any problem or any concern with this much, please let me know. I'll help you. But I need your honest feedback. Whatever I have done today, you really understand or not. So people, I'm just stopping my session here. I'll see you in next session with next topic tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.